Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open 2021 Vw Tiguan Key Fob, full guide. Start by releasing the emergency key, then insert a thin flathead or coin into the seam and gently pry the casing open while supporting the fob. Lift out the CR2032 battery, note its orientation, and inspect for hidden clips or screws. Replace the battery, reseat internal parts carefully, and snap the casing closed until it clicks firmly. Before you begin, gather a small flathead, coin, clean cloth, and a replacement CR2032 battery. Work on a soft surface to avoid scratches and keep small parts in a tray to prevent loss. Photograph the internals to aid reassembly and ground yourself to reduce static risk. If you meet resistance or find hidden screws, stop and consult a manual or locksmith to avoid breaking fragile plastic clips while you proceed carefully. After reassembly, test every button to confirm functions like lock, unlock, and trunk release. If the fob fails, try swapping battery orientation or a brief vehicle battery. Disconnect only if safe. For reprogramming, follow the vehicle manual pairing steps or seek dealer tools when necessary to ensure secure pairing. Verify remote range and locking behavior, and seek professional help for electronic faults to avoid warranty or security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.